So, this film was earlier stated to release in October. What was the reason behind the postponement?
If I tell you, you promise to keep it a secret?
I'll try to.
Then what's the point in telling you? Okay, look, October, frankly, I think it was a very good decision by the producers. It was a tough decision to take because October was tempting, but then as now seeing it in hindsight, we don't have to do a post-mortem because October only belonged to one film which was released during Diwali, and the other weeks were very, very bad. And I think I would attribute this to the foresight of the producers who decided that November would be a good month. And fortunately, the decision is correct because 17th November is a good date to release a film like this. And I think we all stand to gain by this decision.
Zareen, I have a question for you too. Do you feel sequels are lucky for you because Houseful 2, Hate Story 3 and now Aksar 2?
Well, I don't know, lucky or not lucky. I'm just very happy to be a part of it, and I am happy that the filmmakers feel that I can be a part of their sequel, and they have their trust in me. So it's just good for me.
And talking about your future projects, is there anything with Salman Khan on the cards right now?
As of now, no, but maybe in the future.
Mohit, I would like to ask you earlier also, sir has said that, you are a secret element in the movie, and right now also we don't get to see you in the trailer. So do you feel anything like upset or sad about it because you don't get much scope in the trailer?
I think it's a film that you should watch, and I'm there in the trailer somewhere. That's a secret. So I think, yeah, what else should I say? You tell me.
I think you guys just wait till the film is released and you'll know why we're keeping him a well-guarded secret.
Anand sir, we would like to know something about the music of the film. You know, it was a decision to release the songs of the film today, to launch the music launch. Tell us something more about the music. Na?
Well, what happened was, as usual, when the songs are released online and we see that they are hitting the charts and they get popular. So we decided, since we have a lovely gathering over here and there's a lovely evening where we release the trailer, and we have not many days to go for the release, which is just 11 days ahead of us. So we decided not to have another event to launch the music, and we were surprised when the music actually got published yesterday, and we managed to lay our hands on the copies. Hard copies, I mean CDs, which are rare to come by these days because everything is online. And I think the thrill of actually holding a CD in your hand is something that we wanted to share with the media today. So, and since the whole cast is here, I mean the main cast is here, this was, I think, the perfect opportunity to release the music.
Also, sir, this kind of genre is not much exposed in Hindi cinema. As a director, as a filmmaker, what are your thoughts on it?
Exactly, that's one of the reasons why I attempted this, because it's not, the film noir as we know it, the good old-fashioned suspense dramas, which came in from the Hitchcock days, and which I think has been very rarely exploited in Indian cinema. We do have a film noir here and there, but it's been a long time since a pure suspense film has been released, and it's a real seesaw in the film, the who's playing whom kind of thing, and it'll just keep audiences on the edge of the seat and guessing as to what is the real motive of each character. So the unpredictability of the film is what we are banking on, the unpredictability of the characters. In fact, the cast has come together for the first time. No one has ever cast them together for the first time. So there is no image that any of these actors carry. So the unpredictability that they portray in the film is something that will keep the audiences hooked.
Sir, first of all, congratulations for the trailer and for the songs.
Thank you.
My question to you is that recently one more same genre film has released, Ittefaq, and then this is one more the same genre film. Do you think the trend of a suspense thriller movie is back?
That was purely an Ittefaq. So, but it was, inspired by Signpost to Murder. This is not an inspired film, sorry to say that. And Ittefaq is a whodunit. Who is the killer? Here, there is no who done it, who is the killer, but it's like I said before, a how done it and a why done it, which makes it more intricate and more fascinating. And it's actually a good old-fashioned suspense drama with black humor in it, and with one of the rare qualities of, you actually being coming out very entertained, by the story and the plot. So, unfortunately, I can't tell you more. But if you see the film, you'll know why we are so thrilled to have actually been part of it and made the film.
हाय गौतम, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. आपने टेलीविज़न और सिनेमा दोनों जॉनर में, मतलब दोनों मीडियम में काम किया है, तो क्या डिफरेंस महसूस करते हैं आप दोनों, मतलब?
जी, दोनों में शूटिंग स्टाइल एकदम ही अलग है. जैसे टेलीविज़न में आपको स्क्रिप्ट्स उसी टाइम मिलती है, उसी दिन मिलती हैं, शॉट से पहले मिलती हैं. यहाँ पे आपको 1.5 महीने पहले आती है स्क्रिप्ट, और आप उसे प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं अपने हिसाब से. तो शूटिंग स्टाइल एकदम ही अलग है. मतलब वहाँ पे आपको मिनट्स निकालने पड़ते हैं दिन के. जैसे हमें कभी 15 मिनट निकालने पड़ते हैं, कभी 18 निकालने पड़ते हैं, कभी पूरा एपिसोड निकालना पड़ता है. यहाँ पे आप जमा टिका के करते हैं. तो इन दोनों में यही फ़र्क है. जी.
गौतम, डेली सोप में रोमांस करना और जरीन के साथ रोमांस करना, कितना डिफरेंस रहा?
इन्होंने कहा ना, जमा टिका के होता है.
सब जमा टिका के. एकदम करेक्ट आंसर सर ने बोल दिया. देखिए, यहाँ पे आप 2 घंटे में अपनी कहानी बता रहे हैं, वहाँ पे आप महीनों लग जाते हैं. आप घुमा फिरा के वही बातें कर रहे होते हैं. तो फ़र्क तो होता ही है डेफिनेटली. जैसे यहाँ पे एक टाइट स्क्रिप्ट होती है, वहाँ पे हर दिन एक स्क्रिप्ट लिखी जाती है, जो कभी कभी अच्छी भी होती है, कभी कभी समझ ना आने वाली भी होती है. तो फ़र्क एक्चुअली शूटिंग स्टाइल और स्क्रिप्ट्स में बहुत होता है. सो डेफिनेटली चीज़ें अलग हो जाती हैं.
रोमांस का जवाब नहीं दिया आपने.
रोमांस मैंने जो बेचारा रोमांस कर रहा है वो पहाड़ों पे बैठा है. जो पहाड़ों में बैठा है. सो या, थैंक यू.